This wolf's got Lightning McQueen speed. Watch out for those fiery paws on the racetrack. Shrek is a wolf. Yep, he's big, green, and ready to protect his swamp. SpongeBob is a wolf. So funny. Still goofy, now wild. Check out this wolf. Totally Patrick star vibes. Bright yellow, goofy grin. Ready for Krabby Patties under a rock. Think Elsa, but as a majestic white wolf, ready to rule the frozen lands. Yabba Dabba Doo, Flintstones vibes with this strong, friendly wolf. Benton vibes with this green and black wolf, alien busting and world saving. Taz, the Tasmanian devil, is a wolf. Tornadoes of chaos follow him everywhere. Angry birds, but furrier, ready to launch at any piggy threats. Imagine Donkey from Shrek, but as a wolf. Loyal, chatty, and always up for an adventure. Hey mama, check out these biceps. Even in wolf form, I'm still the coolest dude in town. Oh yeah. Yeah, what's up, Doc? Got any carrots, or should I say meat? Either way, I'm game. Silent but deadly, that's me. With wings and fangs, I'm the ultimate night fury wolf. Banana! Oh wait, I mean Howl. Ready to cause some mischief with a wolfy twist. Mondays still suck, but being a wolf makes stealing lasagna so much easier. Now I can execute my evil plans with an extra set of sharp teeth. Watch out, world. Ohana means family, and this wolf pack is about to get wild. Just a little blue and a lot more Howl. Let's smurf up some adventures, wolf style. DOH! Even as a wolf, I can't escape the nuclear plant, but at least I've got this cool donut collar. On guard, I still have my charm and my sword, just with a bit more fur. Howdy, partner. This woody wolf is ready to round up some fun in the Wild West. Pika Pika! This Pikachu wolf is sparking with energy, ready to electrify your day. Zoom, this Sonic wolf is all about speed. Gotta go fast. Iron Wolf here, ready to save the day with my high-tech armor. Believe it, this Naruto wolf is ready to be the best ninja around. Wubba lubba dub dub. This Rick Wolf is ready for some interdimensional adventures. Oh geez, this Morty Wolf is just trying to keep up with Rick's craziness. It's a me, Mario. This Mario Wolf is ready for action and adventure. Always scheming, this Tom Wolf is set to catch Jerry. Maybe this time? Quick and clever, this Jerry Wolf is always one step ahead of Tom. Yo, Tweety still got it, outsmarting Sylvester every time. I ta, buddy tat. Velma as a wolf? Solving mysteries with style. Jinkies, this is awesome. Check out this Ninja Turtle wolf, buff and ready for some pizza. Cowabunga, dude. Naruto wolf is here, still aiming to be Hokage. Believe it! Mickey Mouse wolf ready for adventure. Charming in those ears, oh boy! Peter Griffin is a wolf? Hilarious. Same old Peter with his goofy jokes. Hey Ferb, I know what we're gonna do today. Wolf style. Hello, I am Baymax, your fluffy assistant. Baymax Wolf will make you forget all your troubles. Buzz Lightyear Wolf reporting for duty to infinity and beyond, wolf style. Sid is a wolf, still clumsy and adorable, probably slipped on ice again. Scooby-Doo as a wolf, still a scaredy dog, but now with a cool edge, ready for mysteries. Gumball as a wolf is awesome, more energy and charm for wild adventures. Darwin's wolf form is adorable, same lovable buddy now with a wild twist. Mr. Incredible as a wolf, super strength with a wild side. Gargamel's wolf form is menacing, more determined to catch Smurfs.